All right, guys, so you guys have been seeing me doing a lot of wiring projects. I'm no electrician. I'm no wire specialist on a car. But I found these, I started out with wire connectors and I wanted to buy some more, but I bought these, I think it's haisstronica, you know, what the heck name is that? I don't know, but seems like pretty good quality strippers. Comes with the crimpers in the back, which I really won't be using those, but I thought I'd try these. You know, I've got the tried and true normal strippers, and then this is their crimping tool. So I thought I'd try this because what I normally have is your standard wire crimpers and wire strippers. So the strippers that I normally use are, you know, the Williams strippers, and then I got Klein crimpers just because I like them. But I thought I'd try this stuff because I was already on their website buying their connector kit. So it's got everything in here, all different sizes. I like that the thing can be taken out and I can do whatever. So I already have my own kit. I bought this off of Summit, I don't know, like 5 years ago. But this company, connectorsupply.com, went out of business, so it's just easier to buy the whole thing in bulk instead of buying individual ones. And it's real expensive when you go to the store. This is one I bought from Casper Electronics. It's weather pack connectors. So I need to get another one of those. I need to get the crimping tool for this because I do it by hand. It takes forever. It's ridiculous. But having everything you need in one shot's good. You know, then I got my heat shrink, you know, what they call these grommet kits, right? It's all your different size grommets. Just so you can make things look nice and clean. I also just picked up, this is from Alex Tech. This is their wire loom. You know, it's the kind of, it's hard to get the wire to go into it, but once you get it in there, and then you pull on it a little bit, it is rock solid. I mean, you ain't moving this stuff. So this is what we use in the heavy equipment world, and you guys know I came from the mining industry. So I've got from this haisstronica, or however you say the name, I got the pink set and the blue set. It's got all kinds of connectors in here I really don't use often, but especially these solder links. I watched a couple of videos on those, and some guys, I mean, they do it and then they wait a few seconds and they pull on it and it comes apart, and others are rock solid. So to me, that's just not very secure. It may be a smaller, cleaner wire when it's done, but I don't care, man. I just use the butt connectors, heat shrink it, and then I put heat shrink on top of the connector itself that's already heat shrunk. So yeah, all this stuff coming up is, we got some new toys to play with. So keep an eye out. The other thing I like about the crimper setup is you can take out the screws and replace the jaws. So the jaws are color coded, you know, so you'd use the blue for the blue, the pink for the pink ones. They also have the gauge on there. But if you're a knucklehead like I am and we all like pictures, you just look at the colors. So don't have to worry about it. Anyway, yeah, that's it. It's got a little cutter on the backside. I'm not sure about these things. I don't really, the old wire stripper is tried and true. But I'm going to give this a shot because I have a tendency to always strip too much wire out, which doesn't seem to matter because I use heat shrink connectors, and then I heat shrink the wire itself, and then it's loomed. So there's never any wire exposed past the heat shrink, but you can see wire in the heat shrink area. So if that makes sense. If not, piss off.